Good morning, all the student of class 2, and wishing you a very good happy new year. And with this, today we will start our class. Okay, so today I will tell you about your math project. Okay, and already I have uploaded on the portal. You can check on my portal that what is the your math project. Okay, today I will discuss, and from today onwards you start making your project. Okay, so everybody open your who are now in the class, everybody open your copy and write down what is the project. Okay, do it fast. So you have to be draw 4 clock. Okay, you have to be draw 4 clock and show and concentration in your class and show the following following time inside the clock. Okay, and now I'm saying you the timing. Number A is 10 o'clock. Write down fast. 10 o'clock. Okay, then number B is 12 o'clock. Number C is 2:30 o'clock. Number D 6:45 o'clock. Okay, this is your math project. Today I will discuss on it. So writing part is completed. Nobody will turn on their audio. Maria, turn off. Completed or not? Who has completed? Write down completed. Okay. Oshmi completed, Deboshmita completed, Kritika completed. Lisa also. What about others? Niyogi, Aritra Ghosh, Panja, Kaushik Ghosh. No response. Okay. Now, okay. Kaushik Ghosh, okay, completed. Amartya completed, yes and no. Do it fast. Okay. Now I am rubbing the board and I am telling you what you have to be do. Listen, you have to be make the project on A4 size page, A4 size white page. You will go to the market and from where are buying books or copies for you, sometime color pencil, pencil box, from those shop, if you go, they will provide you A4 size page, okay? A4 size white page you need, and a channel file, one channel file, and not one, 3 or 4 A4 size page you need, okay? So now on the front page means if I am saying that this is the project, okay, if I am say 1, 2, 3, in this way some pages are there. On the first page, what you have to be write down? On the first page, what you have to be write down? You have to be write down your school name, isn't it? So if you think that this is, okay, this is the first page. If you think this is the first A4 size page, okay, front page, this is F, oh my god, don't write down here front, F-R-O-N-T, front page, okay, this is called front page, F-R-O-N-T, front page. On the front page, what you have to do? On the front page, you have to be first write down your school name. Here you will write down school name first. In this way, you can also write down B-U-R-D-W-A-N, Burdwan Model School. Okay? In this way, you have to be write down Burdwan Model School name. Then after that, name means your own name. Roll number, I think it's not clear for most of you. So after name, write down class. In which class? 2. Now 2 which section? Oak or pine? Write down your own. Oak/pine. Which one is your? Write down this one. Okay? Which one is your? Write down this one. If it is oak, just write down oak. Then after that, after class, subject. Which subject? This is mathematics. M-A-T-H-E-M-A-T-I-C-S. Okay? Then after subject, topic means what is the theme of your project? This is clock, C-L-O-C-K, clock, okay? And then after the session, S-E-S-S-I-O-N, session means which year? 2020, 21, okay? This is your session. Okay, I have not written anything on the upper part. Kritika 3 or 4 by, at least 3 you need, at least. So better you just buy 1 extra, okay? This is your front page. Then after that it comes to next page. Next page. Now see student, I have told you to draw clock and show me the respective time, isn't it? So you just think this is a white page, this is the white page, okay? First of all, with black pen, you have to draw the margin or border on the page, okay? This is the margin. Then after that you will divide with the pen the page. Okay, just you will draw a line. Now 2 o'clock, number A is 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock. So you will draw a clock, means 12, 6, 3, 9, 10, 11, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then after that you will show the time 10 o'clock. Okay? In this way 10 o'clock, number B 12 o'clock. Another clock you have to be draw here. You can draw here a square clock. Okay? 12, 6, 3, 9, and then after that you have to be denote the time. Okay, in this way. Okay, then after that next page, this is second page, then after the next page, because we have left 2 more time, isn't it? So here I am taking the next page. On the next page you also, okay, on the next page you also draw margin, you will give margin or border with the black pen. Then after that you will divide the page, okay, use ruler, okay, and put the ruler over there, then after that make the line. Then C, number C is 2:30 o'clock. You will draw. You can also draw here round clock. Number D is 6:45 o'clock. Okay. Here also you can draw any shape. If you want, you can give like this types of shape also. But you have to be draw the, you have to be put the numbers and draw the clock perfectly. If you can, then this is also correct. Okay, in this way. Okay, so see, 4 o'clock done. Now if anybody think that he or she will do 1 clock in 1 page, 1 clock in 1 page, that time they need 4 pages for 4 clock. Okay, and 1 extra page for the front page. Okay, so it is up to you, and listen everybody, that nobody will make 4 clocks in 1 page, because it will make the page dirty. You have to be make your project neat and clean. Okay, you can use pen or color also to make your clock colorful, but remember that don't use red color and green color. Okay, don't use red color and green color. I hope that I am clear. This one is clear for everybody. Okay, if you want you can color, but don't give red color or green color. Okay, Kaushik have one problem. Kaushik, what is your problem? Tell me. Now tell me everybody, that is there any problem? A4 size white page you need, and after making the project you have to be submit the project on channel file. Okay, mute your audio, and then after that, okay, listen, that when from which shop you will go for buying the A4 size page, on that shop you just tell that uncle, give me channel file, give me 1 channel file, they will give you. Is it not clear for everyone that I have told to mute their audio? Whatever your query, you will write on the chat box. Okay. From today onwards, you start making the project. Within January, you have to be submitted. I think still the date is not final. So near about 20 or 50 days, 20-25 days you will get for making the project. Okay. After 20th January, I will tell that which day you have to be submitted. Okay. What is channel file? Kaushik Ghosh. Kaushik went to the go to the market, tell the shopkeeper, they will show you. This is a plastic file. This is a plastic file, plastic cover you can say, and one stick over there. You can, when you will go ask the shopkeeper, they will provide you. He will provide you. Don't worry. Okay? Channel file. Okay. You just write down. Then after that, and one thing, remember, listen everybody, if you want, you can draw the clock first with the pencil, then after that you can color it, okay? Or you can do the pen work also over there, but before, make all the project in with pencil. Now listen, this front page, make it is in front page also, give the border. On front page also, make the margin, okay? Inside the margin, you have to write down all those things, okay? And tell your parents to help you. If you can't write, if your handwriting is not that much okay, in that case, you can tell your parents to write down the front page for you, okay? I hope this is clear for everyone. Okay, this is your project, okay?